you. Could eat this, I don't know though. Yeah, you're just lucky today. I very rarely go live. It's my first one in a long time. Since I moved to this place like last January, this is my second time going live. Definitely does not happen often. Oh, lives are just so making. Let's see what I can do. The issue I'm having is like TikTok doesn't really pay as much for the dollars a month from the reward program. It's like something is not adding up. Which is obviously not all about the money or whatever, but at the same time, like, goddamn. Spending a lot of money. Lives are just a lot though. Plus, I don't know, I feel weird like asking for people to pay for whatever, but I'm just like, hey guys, send me some money, you know? You wanna see these squeezes? Drop me some cash. Right, and then I'm like, well, I'm just gonna add in like my own stuff. Like, it's straight. It's cool, it's cool. Cause like, how awkward, you know? Right, I'm talking. I know, the money used to be so much better. I don't know what they did to the rewards program, but they killed it. Ever since all that ban stuff was happening, and then it's not been the same. I used to get like 1, 2, like on a really good month where I'm posting a lot, like maybe $300. If I was doing real good. Oh, thank you. And again, it's not all about the money, but this shit does cost money, you know what I mean? It was different like when Clean Talk first started and we just used like a tiny splash of liquid and like 1 powder bomb, you know? But it's not really like that anymore. Sure. For sure. Pay attention. Pay attention. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Yeah, I know, it's like the little bonus. Not very often. I'd like to say once quarterly, but it was even less than that last year. But I should have enough PTO now, like I said earlier, to take like 4 days off once a month. So hopefully I can talk myself into it when I have some time off. One good thing about this job is the PTO. Well, there's a few good things, stocks and all that too, but... There we are. Glad you liked it. Oh no. Listen. There's still suds, mamas. Look, there's still suds. Do you see them? Look at that. talking about POP bye. Girl, look at all these suds. I'm swimming in suds. Okay. Come on, come on. Thank you for the follow. Yeah, no, it's all good. I've been craving some Mexican food. I found out one of my coworkers brought in some tamales when I wasn't there, and I am holding a grudge. This is my favorite kind too.